this project you're going to need a piece of round steel, a piece of flat steel, some rope or string, and some assorted bolts. My apologies, the camera battery went flat. All I did was drill some holes and put the bolts through a slit I made into the steel. For this one, you're going to need a piece of plastic or metal tubing, some nails, and some paper. You're going to need some thin steel or thick wire, a rubber band, and some leather or thick fabric. All you'll need from this one is some round steel, some string or rope, and some screws. So my drill battery went flat, so I wasn't actually able to put the screws in. It's up to you if you want to put yours in. If you don't, then don't worry about drilling holes because you don't really need them. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, it'd be awesome if you'd subscribe and like the video. If you have any ideas for something I should build in the future, please chuck it in the comment.